Hello and welcome to our channel, where we empower you with scientifically proven information to naturally take control of your health. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cognitive restoration, diabetes reversal, fatty liver reversal, and many other common medical issues. We'll be discussing the importance of diet, herbs, and nutritional supplements in achieving optimal health. So let's get started. Our bodies are complex systems that require the right fuel to function optimally. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can help manage and even reverse many health conditions. Cognitive restoration is all about rejuvenating our brain's ability to process information, focus, and remember. One supplement that has shown promise in this area is magnesium l-threonate. This unique form of magnesium has been shown in studies to effectively cross the blood-brain barrier and improve cognitive abilities. One of the key supplements we recommend for cognitive health is magnesium l-threonate. This isn't your everyday magnesium supplement. It's a specific form that has been scientifically proven to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly impact brain health. A study published in the Journal of Neuroscience showed that magnesium l-threonate effectively reversed cognitive decline in rats, making their brains functionally younger. The researchers found that it increased the density of synapses, the connections between neurons that are crucial for communication within the brain. In human studies, magnesium l-threonate has been shown to improve cognitive abilities, including short and long-term memory, the ability to learn, and the speed of processing information. It's also been linked to improvements in symptoms of depression and anxiety, showing its broad impact on mental health. Magnesium l-threonate does this by increasing brain plasticity. Brain plasticity, or neuroplasticity, is the brain's ability to change and adapt in response to experiences. It's crucial for learning new things and creating memories. By boosting brain plasticity, magnesium l-threonate can help prepare and rejuvenate the brain. So, if you're struggling with brain fog, forgetfulness, or cognitive decline, magnesium l-threonate could be a game changer. As always, we recommend consulting with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Another powerful supplement is ashwagandha, an ancient medicinal herb. It's known for its stress-relieving properties and its ability to boost brain function, reduce symptoms of depression, and even fight anxiety. Ashwagandha, also known as Withania somnifera, is a traditional Indian herb that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. It's classified as an adaptogen, meaning it can help your body manage stress. Several studies have shown that ashwagandha may help reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is known as a stress hormone because your adrenal glands release it in response to stress, as well as when your blood sugar levels get too low. In one study in chronically stressed adults, those who supplemented with ashwagandha had significantly greater reductions in cortisol compared with the control group. Moreover, ashwagandha has been shown to reduce symptoms in people with stress and anxiety disorders. A 60-day study of 64 people with chronic stress showed that those who supplemented with ashwagandha reported a 69% average reduction in anxiety and insomnia, compared to 11% in the placebo group. In another 6-week study, 88% of people who took ashwagandha reported a reduction in anxiety compared to 50% of those who took a placebo. Stress and insomnia often go hand in hand. Regular exercise, mindfulness practices, and a healthy diet can help manage stress levels. Supplements like melatonin and valerian root can aid in achieving a restful night's sleep. Moreover, both magnesium l-threonate and ashwagandha have been linked to improved sleep quality. Magnesium is known to play a key role in the regulation of the body's sleep-wake cycles and has been found to be effective in treating insomnia. Ashwagandha's stress-reducing properties can also contribute to better sleep as it can lower cortisol levels, the body's primary stress hormone that can interfere with sleep. However, it's important to note that while these substances can provide significant health benefits, they should not replace a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Remember, Your health is in your hands. With the right information, you can make informed decisions that lead to a healthier, happier life. Join us on this journey to optimal health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more evidence-based health solutions. Until next time, stay healthy,